We do about 40 boxes today, and we do 65 boxes on Monday, and then we'll pack 30 boxes on Friday to take to our farmers market on Saturday. This is our week 15 CSA box, and this is the newsletter that goes along with it that tells people what vegetables they're getting, and then there's some news from the farm and news about how the harvest went. And on the back is recipes with the produce that's in the box, and then nutritional information or just notes about the farm, things that people should be aware of. There's a few ounces of basil. This is baby arugula. These are a few heirloom tomatoes. This box is cherry tomatoes that we bag up. So these are a mixture of different color heirloom and cherry tomatoes. It's a head of red romaine lettuce. These are Jimmy Nardello's sweet Italian peppers. Then we have 2 colored bell peppers, 1 black Hungarian hot pepper, a head of garlic. Then we have a lot of brassica vegetables right now. So we have a head of regular broccoli, a head of cauliflower, and then a head of purple broccoli, a bunch of radishes, a bunch of yellow and orange carrots, and then there are 2 red onions, and then the last thing in the box is a bag, 2 pounds of blue potatoes. So they're an all blue potato with purple blue skin on the outside and blue on the inside. And everything was harvested pretty much this morning. We did a little bit of pre-harvest yesterday, so we pack these up, and then members will come to the farm this afternoon and pick up their boxes, and then we'll deliver Co-op, which is 20 miles north of here. As we begin packing our CSA boxes, we line up all of the produce at the back of our table, and then we have a section where we can basically use as an assembly line for the individual CSA boxes to go down the line. And in the CSA produce, we have all the heavy items at the front. So we have the broccoli, the cauliflower, the potatoes, any squash, heavy things that need to be on the bottom of the boxes. And then as we move down the line of produce, we have tomatoes, greens, lettuce, radishes, more fragile items that need to be on the top of the box. You'll notice as we pack the boxes are moving down the line and we're staying in the same spot. So it's a very efficient way to pack the CSA boxes instead of having a spot where we're dropping things in each box one by one. We're able to move boxes down the line quite quickly. Every CSA box is packed the same way. We figured this out right before we pack each week's box, and we want it to be the same for uniformity purposes and also just to make sure that the produce is fitting in well and is not going to be damaged by any of the other produce or by the box itself. In the future, we'll be moving away from using the waxed cardboard cabbage boxes that we're using right now. We'll be probably using a more rigid plastic container, things that you harvest into, but we'll use them only for our post-harvest CSA pack out. In the long term, there will be much less wear and tear on the cabbage boxes. We won't have to use so many of those each season. They're quite expensive, so it'll be more economical for us in the long haul. And also the rigid plastic containers can be sanitized. So that's something that we're interested in doing, just to be able to clean the boxes that the produce is in from week to week.